Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the ResearchCoin. Now this coin just got listed on CoinGecko just today. Brand new listing, ticker symbol is RSC. This token's actually up 20.7% right now since its listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything. Get it, research? Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the ResearchCoin. So before we get into this, there is a warning at the top of the CoinGecko page that everybody should be aware of. It says the contract owner has the authority to modify the balance of tokens and at other addresses. Please do your own due diligence. I've actually never seen that warning before. That's a new one to me. Usually it's they can change tax rates or mint new tokens or things like that. This one says they could modify the balance of tokens at other addresses. So definitely be aware of that. Thoroughly investigate this token. Do your own research first, thoroughly, before even thinking about investing in this token. When there's warnings like that, that doesn't necessarily mean 100% that this token is going to be a scam, but it definitely has the potential to be one when there's warnings like that, when they can modify contracts and do things like that. So be aware of that warning. Do your due diligence. All right. So their official webpage here is ResearchHub.com, and that is the name basically of the project, is ResearchHub. ResearchCoin is their token. On CoinGecko, you can find their Twitter, Discord, Medium articles, Twitter. That's a different thing. GitHub, price chart, contract address, Etherscan. All that is available on CoinGecko now. So basically, this is an Ethereum token. If you wanted to buy this token, you would simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum. You'd go into the dApps, you would find Uniswap, and you would trade your Ethereum for the ResearchCoin using the contract address that you could find on CoinGecko, or you could find it on their Etherscan, or you could find it on their official webpage, ResearchHub.com. You may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, and just be aware there is going to be network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. Now, if you head over to their Etherscan, you will see that right now they have 429 holders, 3,179 transfers, 18 decimal places on this token, and a max total supply of 1 billion tokens. On their Etherscan, you could find a contact email, a Reddit, you could find a Twitter, and a full white paper. Now, if you click on their webpage, you won't find a lot of info over there. It's kind of a different type of webpage. You could check that out for yourself. But if you want to find information on the token, here's the best way to do it. So you click on the white paper. The white paper actually takes you over to, it looks exactly like if you were going to look up a study, like say on nature.com or any place that would have scientific studies. They have the author published, what formats it's in, like a PDF, and it looks just like a study. It starts with abstract, and it says ResearchCoin is the incentive within the ResearchHub network designed to encourage open participation in the scientific community. The scientific record is too important to be hidden behind paywalls and in ivory towers. Science should be open, not only for reading, but also for reusing. Now, I mean, they do have paywalls behind a lot of studies, and that's just like, paying for a movie. It took a lot of work to make that movie. It took a lot of work to make this scientific study. And so, everybody who's involved in the scientific study, the scientists, anybody who worked on it, obviously needs to be paid because they're not doing all that work for free. So a lot of the times they have these paywalls behind studies. So ResearchCoin and by extension ResearchHub are designed to accelerate the pace of scientific research by encouraging academics to interact in a fully open and collaborative manner. This paper will describe ResearchCoin, the ResearchHub network, the impetus for the creation of both, and the intended impact on the scientific community. So then there's a big discussion section where people actually, just discuss ResearchCoin here. You could check that out. And then underneath that, they have a paper. And it starts off overview. Very tiny print, by the way. Super, super tiny print. I don't even know if you could magnify this. Hopefully you can. There you go. Okay, you can magnify it. Very crazy how tiny the print is. But yeah, they go over supply and distribution on here. And they go over their day out. So they're going to have a day out. It says, upon the launch of the network, ResearchHub will create a day out to facilitate ResearchHub's governance. Within ResearchHub's day out, one RSC is equivalent to 1 vote. So 1 coin or 1 token is 1 vote. Over time, as RSC is distributed to the community, ResearchHub Incorporated voting majority will dissipate, allowing a scientific community to assume responsibility of the network's governance. So eventually, the scientists will take over, but at first there's going to be a day out when anybody who holds a coin will have 1 vote. So initially, there will be 1 billion research coins in existence. Of this, 20% will be retained by ResearchHubs and marked for distribution to the community. The incentivization structure will become more encompassing and complex as interactions on the platform occur. But an overview, the initial structure is provided below. As RSC rewards mature, up-to-date information regarding roles and privileges can always be found on ResearchHub's homepage. So below it has things like editing of summary, submit paper, add a key takeaway. So you get rewarded every time you contribute to science. And you get, 1+ coins or 5+ coins for doing different tasks that help out. So that's basically how it works. This is a governance token and kind of like a reward token. So ResearchHub allows scholars to upload, summarize, discuss, and prioritize research within dedicated focus areas. Researchers are rewarded for their contributions to the community in a newly created cryptocurrency token called the ResearchCoin. So there you go. It's the ResearchCoin is a reward coin. It's to help progress science, and they have a summary on here. So basically, if you want to learn more information on their Medium articles I was looking at earlier, they have an introduction to the coin. They have updates on here. They have tokenomics. So 60% of the tokens go to the community, 20% go to the ResearchHub Incorporated, 10% founders, and 10% ResearchHub employees. And you get it by commenting, sharing, peer reviewing, receiving, developing, all that type of stuff. Now, I don't see any taxes on here. I don't know if you're going to have to set slippage. It doesn't say anything at all about taxes. So it just seems like maybe you just go with the normal slippage. But if you tried to buy this token and slippage was different, let me know in the comments. I'm not a financial advisor, so you guys let me know what you guys think about this token. Do you think it's a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace.